Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this drink that is very effective for me. I pour a lot and I far a lot. It's very effective for stomach burning. If you want to lose those fats, it's very effective. So I'll be using ginger for this recipe. You do not have to peel it, you just have to clean it, wash it very properly. Then I'm going to add some water into the blender as well, just for the blender to for it to be easy for the blender to blend. So that's why I just slice my ginger. So I'll be using lime as well. I rub it on the surface for it to be easy to juice. I'm going to juice out the lime as well. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. I love sharing different recipes. Feel free to go through my channel to watch more of my videos. And please remember to give our video a like and give us a comment in the comment section. Please do not forget to share this recipe as well. So I'm going to juice this. There are so many benefits of this drink. It's very effective. It reduces blood pressure. It's also burn out fat in the stomach. It's very effective, and it's also very effective for cough and flu. This recipe is very simple to prepare with just basic home ingredients. This recipe will be ready in few minutes. So please remember to leave a comment in the comment section once you try it, and please let me know where you're watching this recipe for so I can give you a lovely help. So after juicing my lime, I'm going to add the juice into the blender as well. Then we'll step this aside and move to the other step of this recipe. Then I'm going to slice the lime peel. You can use lemon as well for this recipe. Feel free to use lemon. It's also effective, but if it's a lime you have available, feel free to use it as well. So if you are allergic to any of this recipe, please consult your doctor before you use this recipe. I'm not a doctor, but I use this for myself and it's very effective. I'm going to be using cloves too as well, about 10 to 12 pieces. Then I'm going to add some water into the blender, the sauce pot I mean. Then I'm going to step this aside. Then we'll move to the blender and blend our already prepared ingredients earlier, just the way I'm doing in the video. You do not have to let this fully blend like smooth. You can just we are just trying to crunch our ginger in this recipe. You do not have to let it be fully blend, like smoothly blend. Or if you want it to be smoothly blend, feel free to do that. So after blending, I'm going to add it into our saucepan back as well. Then we'll go to the stove top and prepare this recipe. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell to get updated of my latest video, and please feel free to watch more of my recipe in my channel. Please go through my channel and see there are a lot of recipe that you are going to learn in my channel. Then after that, we are going to allow this to be properly cook until it changes color. Then we go ahead and save the ingredients. This is very effective for cough and flu. If you have sore throat, it's very effective and it helps in indigestion. It helps reduce some diseases as well. It's also very effective for burning stomach fat. I have seen the results, so that's why I'm sharing this. After cooling down, this is how it's going to look. You can take this 1 cup in the morning before breakfast in empty stomach as warm, not cold, warm for breakfast before breakfast. Then after 30 minutes, you can eat your breakfast. Then you can also take a glass before bedtime. You can add honey to it. You can take it plain. If you cannot stand the taste, you can add honey to it. I take my plain without honey. But if you cannot stand the taste, please feel free to add honey, and it's also very effective. I pour a lot, I gas a lot with this recipe. It's very effective for me for stomach burn and also for cough and flu and for sore throat. Thanks so much for watching this my video. Please let me know what you think about the recipe after trying it. Let me know the results in the comment section. And please share, like, and comment. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video, and please be safe out there.